Hi everyone, I'm Greg here at Handcrafter's House in Perth, Western Australia. And I want to show you the new Handi Quilter Pin Point laser. Come in, have a look. Very cool. So, this has come out because the newer machines have a needle laser. But the older machines, say the Sweet 16, Avante and the Simply, do not. And also the Fusion. Alright, so they brought this out so you can have a pinpoint laser, which is awesome. So, come in, have a look, see what's in the box. So we've got a bunch of stuff. So, you've got your installation instructions. Nice and easy, but I'll show you. We've got our laser, so it's used a USB, 4 little clips to keep your cable in place, and a little screw and nut. So how this works is, let me take this little zip tie off. So you have to have a USB to plug it into, right? So on Simply here, we've got our USBs ports on the side. You've got 2 either side of the screen. On your Avante, you'll have them under your handlebars, and same with the Fusion. For the Sweet, you'll have to get an extender to go to the back and a power point. All right, so let's look at our laser. Here it is, and it's got just a sticky, right? So we just have to peel a sticky off to reveal the other side to put it in place. So, next step is to decide where we're gonna put our laser. So if we have a look here, we've got a few places where we could put it. You could put it on this silver section here, or up on this white section up here, right? So you just wanna be sure when you're putting it, you don't cover any cracks or any holes, right? So I'm gonna put this one right down here. All right, so let me switch this on so we have some power. All right, and then I'll put the laser in so you can see what it looks like. Can we see that? Yeah, look how bright that laser is. How cool is that? So if I stick that here, I have the ability to angle this around wherever I want and get it in the right place. So there's a good check that we can put it here. All right, so I'm gonna peel that backing off to reveal the sticky side, and then we're gonna stick it on, just like that. And then you'll notice that currently our laser is free, right? So it can move around. So we need to fix that in place. So this is where we get our little washer and screw, and we put it in over here. In there. Oh. And they've made it so it uses the 2.5mm Allen key, which is what we use to change our foot and our needle. And I've got mine somewhere in my pocket. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna tighten it up, position my laser. And now we can see, oh, to get that laser right in our needle point. Right, and then we can even wind our needle down so we know exactly where we're aiming for. All right, excuse my hands. Bang on, look at that. Right, so once you've got it in place, you can tighten it up a little bit more. And there we go. You've got your very own pinpoint laser. How awesome is that? Right, so now you know when you're quilting, if you're coming up to a corner, you can get right on that corner, which is awesome. And then with the cable, you've got all these bits here. They can stick on to your machine and get that cable out the way as well. So I hope that was really quite easy. You saw how quick and easy that was to put on. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know and we can help you out. See you everyone.